Namaskar, I'm Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friend, today we are going to discuss about section 105 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 105 of the Indian Penal Code is about the time in which the right to private defense can be exercised by a person with regard to his private property. So it is well prescribed under section 105 when the time commence with regard to right to private defense of a person and till what time it continues. So section 105 has mentioned, and it depends, it varies from offense to offense, from what time it commences and till what time it remains in force, where a person can exercise his right to private defense with regard to his private property. So in this video we are going to analyze section 105, but before that I want to request all of you that if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel so far, please subscribe it and also press the bell button to get the notification of all the updates. Friend, I also request you to please visit my YouTube channel page, and there are lots of numerous playlists on different issues like legal drafting, IPC, CRPC. So please check it out. There are very informative and valuable videos over there. So and it is in both the language Hindi as well as English. So please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, section 105, section 105 of the Indian Penal Code talks about when the time commences for a person to exercise his right to private defense with regard to a property and till what time it continues. So before analyzing section 105, it is very important to understand what is given in the provisions of section 105, and section 105 has categorized different kinds of offenses and different time at what time the right to private defense will will commence until what time it continues. So it is different, the time of commencement and the time till it continues, it differs from offense to offense. For example, for theft, it commences at a different time, commences whenever the person came to know that theft is continuing in house. So it will remain in force till the time the thief retreats or he claim his property lawfully or any public authority arrives at the place. So everything is given in detail in section 105. So let's read and understand what is the provision under section 105. So section 105 of the Indian Penal Code says commencement and continuance of the right of private defense of property. So here I will simply read out the list which has been enumerated. So the first thing is the right of private defense of property against theft continues till the offender has effected his retreat with property or either the assistance of the public authority is obtained or the property has been recovered. So there are three conditions: either the theft has retreated from the property, or the public authorities has arrived, or the property is recovered. So as long as it is in the possession of the thief, the right to private defense can be exercised by the person. Now the second condition is the right of private defense of property against robbery continues as long as the offender causes or attempts to cause to any person death or hurt or wrongful restraint. So as long as there is an apprehension of death or harm or any wrongful restraint, or as long as the fear of instant death or instant hurt or instant personal restraint continues, or as long as the fear of these things continues, till that time the right to private defense can be exercised by the person. Thirdly, the right to private defense of property against criminal trespass in which entering in the property of somebody else without permission. So the right of private defense against private defense of property against criminal trespass or mischief continues as long as offender continues in the commission of criminal trespass or mischief. So it continues as long as the mischief is occurring at the place, or as long as the trespass the trespasser is in the campus. Now, the fourthly, the right of private defense of property against housebreaking by night continues as long as house trespass which has begun by such housebreaking continues. So this is all about the different categories of offenses which have different nature. So the time of commencement of the right to private defense, where a person can exercise his right to private defense against the offender, commence at the time it starts happening and remains till the time where he do not recover or the public authority do not come back for his assistance, or the offender retreats from his property, or in case of robbery or something like that, as long as the apprehension or the danger exists where death or any hurt can be caused by the offender, the right of private defense can be exercised by the by the person. So this is all about section 105 of the Indian Penal Code. So if you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues, and also let me know with your views and opinion on this video in the comment box below. So I will be coming again with another video. Till that time, take care.